We all want to have a good night rest, but our mind is thinking non-stop. What can we do with all those thoughts? We can rest and meditate in the stability of the mountain. So let's take this next 10 minutes to meditate in a way that we can be ready for a good rest, for a good moment with our dreams. So maybe you want to lay down on your bed, or maybe you are just preparing yourself to go to bed, sitting down in a comfy chair or in the couch, wherever you find yourself at this moment. Try to be very relaxed. Intentionally take these few minutes to totally relax. Relax your stomach. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. Relax your brain. Try to feel that all your nervous system is relaxed, that your heartbeat feels very healthy, and you are just feeling lighter and lighter, breath after breath. You feel that you can enter in the realm of your imagination. And now that you are totally relaxed, feeling lighter and ready to enter in your imagination, I want to invite you to feel that you are sitting down at the hill, at the top of a mountain. When we are at the top of the mountain, we are able to see everything at a distance. And it seems that there is so much space at the top of this mountain. Try to feel it. Allow all the space at the top of this mountain to become the space of your mind. And relax. When we allow all this space to become the space of our mind, we are so calm. It feels so quiet. a silence that seems to help you to relax and to enter in a deep night, in a deep rest. Just feel this space. And when we are sitting down at the top of the mountain, we can see everything that happened during the day at a distance. This is the moment that we are coming back to our peace. We are not anymore interacting with the people or with the world outside. This is a moment where we prepare to be within our mind. So when we are getting ready to sleep, we can dedicate this precious moment to feel the space in our mind. It's like when we see a white canvas. There is nothing, but at the same time, there is everything we need to create. So when we go to bed in the night, we need to go back to feel all the space that our mind has. And breath after breath, see farther and farther all the situations that you lived throughout the day. And almost feel that your mind is one with the space of this mountain. There is almost like no sensation. It feels so wide, so open, so fresh, that we are ready to have a good night, a resting and restorative night. There is nothing to control once we are in this space, because everything is wide, everything is expanded, everything is possible in the realm of the dreams. So allow all that intellectual mind that you used throughout the day to be seen far away, so you can continue resting in the space while sitting down at the top of the hill continue doing this practice for as long as you want. Maybe you are already sleeping, or maybe you just wanted a quick nap to energize. So if you want to continue sleeping, good night. If it was a quick nap, slowly start opening your eyes and allow this space at the top of this mountain to be within yourself in every breath you take.